Let us do another solved example. Rain is falling vertically with a speed of 30 meter per second. A woman rides on a bicycle with a speed of 10 meter per second. What is the relative velocity of rain with respect to woman? Now let us say that the rain is falling vertically as it is given in the question. So this is the direction of rain. So this is velocity of rain as 30 meter per second. Let us say the woman is cycling in this direction with a velocity Vw, which is given as 10 meter per second. Now we have to find the relative velocity of rain with respect to woman. Now if this vector is Vr and this vector is velocity of woman, then we know that by triangular law of vector addition, the third side, this will give us Vrw, which is the relative velocity of rain with respect to woman. So in vector notation, Vrw will be equal to Vr minus Vw. Vr plus Vw from triangular law of vector addition. Now if we need to find out, although here it is not given in the question, but suppose we need to find out the magnitude also, then the magnitude of this will be equal to this will be the magnitude. So if you solve this will come out to be 10 root 10, which will be approximately equal to 31.6 meter per second. Now notice here that we took plus sign here of velocity of rain with respect to woman, because we are taking plus sign because we do not need to reverse the vector of the Vw. It is already in the right direction, in the direction that we wanted. So we will simply apply the triangular law of vector addition and we'll get this result. If however the situation demanded to reverse the vector of Vw in this direction, then we would have taken Vw here and then it would have been minus Vw and here it will be minus. But in this question we do not need it. So we are going to go with triangular law of vector addition of Vr plus Vw, and this is how we can find the resultant. Now the second part of the question is in which direction she should hold the umbrella to protect herself. Now as it is clear from this vector diagram that the woman, if she is moving in this direction and the resultant velocity of rain with respect to woman is here, so that means if woman is going in this direction, she should hold the umbrella in this direction. If she holds the umbrella here in this direction like this while she is moving in positive x-axis, only then she will be able to protect herself. So that means with the horizontal, the angle of umbrella should be this. This is the theta at which the woman should hold the umbrella. Now if this is theta, then this will become 180 minus theta, because they are linear pair of angles. So in this triangle we can write tan 180 minus theta is equal to perpendicular by base, so it will be equal to Vr by Vw. Vr is given as 30, so this will come out to be 3. Now tan 180 minus theta we know is cot theta, so cot theta is 3. We are taking the magnitudes because minus sign will only give the direction, so we are not taking negative sign here. If we reciprocate it, then it will be tan theta equals to 1 by 3, and this will give you, if you look at the trigonometric table, then theta will be, this will be equal to, this is 0.3333, so this will be equal to around 18 degree 26 minutes. So this will be the answer to your question.